How to use iCloud in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Apple account, and after that click on iCloud, and now click on iCloud backup. Here you can turn on or turn off iCloud backup from here, and then go back, and here you can get more with iCloud Plus. Upgrade to iCloud Plus, and this is the plan of iCloud Plus. And here you can see the option advanced data protection. Click on advanced data protection, and here you can do your account recovery from here. Here you add your account recovery. So this is the way to use iCloud in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.